PlayStation Network Status Update in the United States. As of February 8, 2025, PlayStation Network, PSN, is experiencing a global outage which is affecting many users in the United States. Gamers are facing difficulties connecting to the network, signing in, and accessing online gaming services, account management, and even the PlayStation Store. This disruption has been ongoing since February 7th, and the cause has not yet been fully disclosed by Sony. Symptoms of the issue: unable to sign into PSN accounts, inability to access online multiplayer games, problems browsing or making purchases on the PlayStation Store, issues with streaming services and other PlayStation services. Potential solutions: if you're facing these issues, here are some steps you can try. 1. Check PSN server status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to check whether the service is experiencing ongoing issues in your region. PlayStation Network status page, support. You can find the link below in the description. 2. Restart your console. Power cycle your PlayStation console by turning it off and unplugging it for a few minutes. Then, restart it and check if the issue persists. 3. Reconnect to the internet. Sometimes, PSN issues are related to your internet connection. Try restarting your router or modem and then reconnecting to the network. Clear cache on your console. Clearing the cache on your PlayStation console can sometimes resolve connectivity problems. You can do this by turning off the PS4 or PS5, then holding down the power button for a few seconds, until it beeps twice. Afterward, turn the system back on. Check for console updates. Ensure your PlayStation console is running the latest system software. Go to Settings greater than System Software Update to check for any updates. 6. Contact Sony support. If the issue persists, you can reach out to Sony's support team for more assistance. Visit their official support page, Sony PlayStation Support. You can find the link below in the description. Looking forward. While Sony is actively working on resolving the issue, there is no confirmed timeline for when full service will be restored. Stay updated through official communication channels or the PlayStation status page for the latest developments.